Hi, today I'm for the Nokia T21 and I'll show you how to turn off always on display option on this device. So if you wanna just turn off the shown time and info, just date and the notifications from your lock screen, you should first open the settings application and after that tap here to the display section. Then click the lock screen, scroll down and here you'll see always show time and info switcher. Just click on the switcher to turn off this option. After that, let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully turn it off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.